Welcome to the Blake Goodman PC Attorneys Podcast. We provide a knowledgeable guide on bankruptcy law in the state of Hawaii so you can stay informed and get the fresh financial start you need. With over 80 years of combined experience in bankruptcy law, at Blake Goodman PC, we're ready to listen and help you get back on your feet. This podcast series is reviewed and approved by founding attorney Blake Goodman.
In this episode, we'll explore what to anticipate when filing for bankruptcy as a small business. Running a small business is a lot of hard work. But even if you're doing everything right, there are times when things can go wrong financially. If you're struggling to keep your head above water, you may be wondering if filing for bankruptcy is the right decision. In the following segments, we'll discuss the factors to consider when deciding whether or not to file for business bankruptcy. We'll also talk about the different types of bankruptcy available to small businesses and how a bankruptcy attorney can help you navigate the process. Keep in mind that our professional Maui bankruptcy attorneys are dedicated to helping you start over. If your business, credit score, or reputation is at risk, reach out to us promptly for a free consultation and flexible payment options to initiate your case. First, let's review the types of bankruptcy available to small businesses owners. When small businesses face financial distress, different types of bankruptcy can provide potential solutions. The two main options for small businesses are Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Always remember that Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a liquidation bankruptcy. This means that your assets will be sold and the proceeds will be used to pay off your creditors. If there are any assets left over, you will get to keep them. On the other hand, Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a reorganization bankruptcy. While Chapter 13 bankruptcy is primarily designed for individuals, it can provide substantial benefits to business owners. Unlike sole proprietors who can file for Chapter 13, businesses themselves are unable to pursue this option. However, for owners facing overwhelming personal debts, Chapter 13 can offer a viable solution for reducing obligations such as credit card balances. By alleviating personal financial burdens, business owners can potentially enhance their ability to maintain the operations of their businesses and keep them afloat during challenging times. Next, you might be wondering, when should a small business file for business bankruptcy? Deciding whether or not to file for business bankruptcy requires careful consideration of several key factors, including the amount of debt you owe. If you owe more money than you can realistically repay, filing for bankruptcy may be a good option. The ability to repay your debt. If you're struggling to make your monthly payments and you don't see a way to get out of debt, filing for bankruptcy may be the best option for you. The value of your assets. If you don't have any assets that are worth more than your debts, filing for bankruptcy may not be necessary. And the impact of bankruptcy on your business. Bankruptcy can have a negative impact on your business credit, and it can make it difficult to get loans in the future. So, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. It is crucial to carefully evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of bankruptcy before making a decision. Seeking guidance from an experienced bankruptcy attorney can be immensely helpful in navigating this complex process and making informed choices. Now, let's talk about how a Maui bankruptcy attorney can help your case. If you're considering filing for business bankruptcy, it's important to speak with a bankruptcy attorney first. An experienced Maui bankruptcy attorney can also help you with the following: file the necessary paperwork, negotiate with creditors, protect your assets, and restructure your debt. Our team of skilled bankruptcy lawyers is dedicated to provide comprehensive assistance tailored to your specific needs. By consulting our experienced bankruptcy attorneys, you will gain a thorough understanding of the options available to you and receive competent representation in court. Remember, if you have any doubts about filing for business bankruptcy in Hawaii, get in touch with a bankruptcy lawyer in Maui right away. When facing financial challenges in your small business, the decision to file for bankruptcy requires careful consideration of various factors. Assessing the amount of debt, your ability to repay, the value of assets, and the impact on your business are crucial steps in making an informed choice. To navigate this complex process, it is essential to seek guidance from a knowledgeable bankruptcy law firm like Blake Goodman PC. If you're considering bankruptcy for your business, don't hesitate to reach out to us today for a consultation. We are here to help you find the best solution for your business financial future. At Blake Goodman PC, we have been through many bankruptcy cases, and our representation will make the process feel far more simple than it would be on your own. We dedicate ourselves to our clients, making ourselves available beyond business hours so you can call us after work. We also offer a program to help you rebuild your credit after bankruptcy. You can visit Blake Goodman PC at any of our convenient locations in Honolulu, Kaneohe, Aiea, and Maui. To schedule your free case consultation, call us at 808-556-7833 or visit us online at debtfreehawaii.com.
Thank you for listening to the Blake Goodman PC Attorneys Podcast. Going through bankruptcy can be a difficult and complex situation, but it doesn't have to be if you have us on your side. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Get in touch with the experienced bankruptcy lawyers at Blake Goodman PC Attorney today to explore your options.